What is up, beautiful people? It's your favorite Ugandan girl, Miss Sherry Coco, and today I'm back with another video. You guys, I hope that you really enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, and subscribe so that you can help the girl out. It's a free way to do it, you know what I'm saying? No coins involved. And I hope you guys are really enjoying yourself during these quarantine times, you know? Find something to do, build yourself, love yourself, all that good stuff. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye!
Okay guys, today we're gonna start with some professional things, you know. We're going big today. So we're gonna first start with this white powder that I'll apply all over my face. I don't know the use of it, but we're gonna keep going. So the white powder goes around, make you uniform. Again, I don't even know the use of it. It's all over my eyes. Now I'm gonna use this brown thick paste and put it out beneath my eyes, and I'm also going to do the other side. Yeah, what is the use though? I don't know, but at the end we're gonna see. So I also apply it on my nose. I think those are the essential areas of my face, you know, because from there we're gonna spread it all around. Yeah, let me zoom in for y'all to see the reality of this wonderful piece of art. Yeah, we're still doing the same thing, just applying the brown solution everywhere. So now I'm bringing this. It looks like what is that? Is that lipstick? No, I don't think so. Oh, those are the contours. Yeah, the cheekbones. I see that. Oh, it's shiny too. Yeah, we're gonna put it around. Yeah, y'all should not worry. The end gonna be wonderful. Yeah. So now I'm going to mix it around. Going to mix the brown, the red, and the white. So tapping it with the soft foam, tapping it all around my eyes, all my eyeballs. yeah, banaloba. So he's trying to mix all the solutions to be uniform around my cheek and everything. Oh, let me sip some too. Okay, another one. And again, it's not alcohol, it's lemonade. Thank you. So okay, you see that? Now we're blending in all the colors together in order to give us this perfect color again. Like, this is beautiful. So I'm trying to contour my face for you to see all the bone cheeks, you know, because by the time light or the sun will reflect on my face, you will understand what I'm talking about. So let me fill out all the blind spots. Yeah, that's a paintbrush too. Okay, so yeah, we keep putting everything around. Now I'm back to my nose. Like I said, we're trying to put all the perfect spot to light. Yeah. Oh my God, I'm happy to be a man. This is a lot of work. That's why before she will come out, she will take hours to get ready. Oh, is that a moustache? Ça c'est beaucoup de travail, hein? Wow. Okay. So I'm tapping all the brown solution. I'm trying to fit in all the blind spots I couldn't get with the brush. Trying still to get the perfect shape of my cheekbones. Okay. I feel it now. I feel it. I feel it. So I keep on tapping. Y'all can see the results already. Y'all can see it coming out. Ooh. Still the same thing. Still doing the same thing. Just adding the brown solution till I get the perfect color. Okay. Alright. Now, is that powder? That's a lot of powder. Wow. Putting it all around. Yeah. Y'all shouldn't mind the powder on my lips. Okay. I think that's the eyeshadow. Is it? Yeah, that's the eyeshadow. Trying to show y'all that I have beautiful eyes with the help of makeup. Hey, Banaloba. Okay. So I think, what's that? Oh, is he trying to get the blind spots? Okay. Now I'm blending it with the paintbrush. Is it paintbrush or makeup brush? I don't know. Now I'm blending it with the perfect paintbrush. Blending everything around. Wow. Y'all see that? Everything is uniform. Yeah. So now I'm trying to get my cheekbones. They call that contouring, basically. Now I'm applying, is it alcohol? Oh yeah. Trying to get all those chemicals, toxic chemicals from my lips. And at the same time, I'm also trying to give my lips the perfect shape, to make it more thick and visible. Yeah. Bro, there's a lot of work and precision. Now that's lipstick. Ooh, okay. I feel it. Yeah. Lipstick. So when you put that, you can't even lick your lips. Now this is the game changer. This one. It looks so thick that I feel like it's heavy. Wow. Okay. Y'all should not mind the dot on my eyes. I think that's gone. Ooh, look at that. Wow. That's a transformation. Okay. Now these are the final touches. That's a blue, I don't know whether it's mascara or eyeliner. Now we're gonna use blue color in order to shape my eyes. Yeah. If it gets into my eye, I don't care. I just want to look beautiful. You know. This is the final product, and elle est très belle. Again, I wasn't really forced to do this video, so subscribe to Sherry Coco and press the like button. Passez une très belle journée.